बोलो।
सलाम करिए, बोलो।
स्पीयर।
This is a cylinder.
जज़ाकल्लाह।
This is a model of a house.
Very good.
ओके।
In which see all the shapes.
शाबाश.
And
दिस इज
this is triangle. This is rectangle. This is square. This is circle. This is rectangle. This is oval. This
व्हाट इज दैट? व्हाट इज दैट?
oval.
ओवल शेप।
Yes.
ओके।
This is
क्यूब।
cube. This is cylinder. This is
Also a
rectangle. Also a rectangle.
stop.
And this is a rectangle. And this is a car shape.
So many shapes are there: triangle, rectangle, square, circle, oval, cylindrical, cube, and sphere.
And ये कार शेप का क्यों नहीं बोल रहे? This कार शेड बोल के पूरे कार शेड के नाम से बनो. ये गाड़ी आई को लगा हमारे अच्छा नहीं दिख रहा.
कार बहुत छोटी हो गई है.
Oh.
Start.
This is a model of a house. This is rectangle. This is square. This is
अरे start.
this is rectangle. These two are triangle. This is also rectangle. This is square. This is circle. This is oval. This is cube. This is cylindrical. This is one line. Triangle. This is also a triangle.
गिलास रखेंगे एक. नहीं पीने बचाएंगे. नहीं फ्रीजर में कभी. इतना देख जाके नहीं.